Mummy and Jack here, and today we're going to make something very special for little Oceana, who can't be with us today because she's feeling unwell, isn't she? So what are we going to make, Oshie?
Sausage rolls.
We are, but not just any sausage roll. We're going to vegetable load these ones just to help pack some extra goodness into her. So today what we have is a little bit of pastry. I'll run through those soon. We've got some really nice lean beef mince, capsicum, carrot, zucchini, an egg, an onion, some vegetable salt, sea salt with vegetable seasoning, and we're going to make our own breadcrumbs. And so obviously you can add as many different things, maybe some celery, a little bit of chili, depending on whether the kids are into that. You can put spinach. Can you think of anything else? Tomato, that's a great idea. Anyway, so we're going to get started. So what we are going to do now is the next step. I like to have everything really fine so there's no chunky bits that the kids can pick at and say they don't like it. So I'm going to pop these things into the food processor and then I'll come back and I'll show you what's next. So we're back again. What we've just done, haven't we, Jack Man? We've cut up the veggies, popped them in the food processor, we've given a bit of a whiz.
But I've done that.
You did that. We did the breadcrumbs. And so now we're going to get mixing. So we've got the meat ready to go, and then we'll add these shortly.
So we're back.
We're back, and now all of this is in. Now we're going to add a little bit of this, it's sea salt with vegetable seasoning. So give it a bit of extra flavour.
Yes!
So Jackie, you want to put some in? Pour that in. Good boy. You can use whatever you want.
Now do I have to mix it?
Now some salt.
Looks like blood.
You can start mixing it, buddy. Now something I did forget that I generally do put in is some garlic, and especially with Oshie feeling a bit unwell. Now, alright, I want to do one thing first. Earlier, we washed our hands, don't we? You always wash your hands when you come into the kitchen.
Yeah.
So we can get in and really...
Oh, I'm not going to touch that.
Yes, you can.
I don't want it.
Fun. Really get in there.
So we are back.
We are back. Now we've done that, all the mixing there. We're ready to roll. And you ready to roll? Okay, you're very affectionate today, aren't you? Jack, do you reckon though she's going to like these?
Yeah.
So what we do is line it up along one side.
Yes, then we split it out, guys.
Well, we're going to roll it up, Jack. Now add extra salt, pepper if you want, whatever you want. What I am going to do, yes, I copied you, didn't I? What I'm actually going to do is, because these freeze really well as also, so I'm going to make a few of these, and then I'm also going to make a heap of little rissoles to cook as well. So let's peel this off here. Now we have the baking tray ready to go.
Guys, always remember, if you have your mother or remember you also have to have your mother or your dad.
Yeah, a grown up. don't you? This is going to be nice. Okay, so there's our first one. That looks good. Okay, I'm just going to pinch the ends off. Okay, now I'm going to cut these into a few. So I won't do it on the camera, but you could make as many as you want of these. As I said, wrap them in Glad wrap and just freeze them and grab them out as you need them. Don't you think, Jack? Okay, let's make 3.
1, 2, 3.
Oh, they're going to be nice. Now what I like to do is push a bit of that back in and press the end off. They look yummy.
Yeah.
Are you going to try one, Jack? No.
Just remember when I do love vegetables.
For our viewers that don't know, Jack is actually vegetarian. Aren't you, buddy? Yeah. Okay, pop them on the tray, buddy. Now we do have the oven preheated on 180. Could you put that on there?
You want to?
And if you have obsessive compulsive disorder, you might want to realign those. All right, buddy. So dip the paintbrush there and try not to get it on the paper. Just on the top of them there. This will make them nice and brown. Well done, bud. Good work. Might put a tiny bit. There we go. Ready to go. So the oven is on 180 degrees Celsius or 350 Fahrenheit. Okay. So we've just popped these in the oven on 180 degrees or 350 Fahrenheit, and we'll keep checking them, but probably about only around 15 to 20 minutes. So final check. Oh, I reckon that's pretty good. So we're all done. The sausage rolls for this little one's finished. So as I said earlier, Oshi's been a bit unwell, so I wanted to make these because they're loaded with vegetables to give us some extra goodness. So we've used beef, you could use turkey, chicken, lamb, yes, pork mince. And get creative, check out Google, there's an abundance of recipes and different ideas there. So anyway, I hope you like them, darling. They're probably a little bit hot. We'll cut another one open and see how they look. Oh, they're nice and crunchy, Yoshi.
Yeah.
Look at that. Would you like to try one?
Yeah, I'll try
Okay.
this.
Hang on, try one that would have cooled down a little. Maybe him. He was one of the first ones I cut.
Taste test.
I hope you enjoy them.
That makes my day better. It's so good, guys. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel. Please like this video and subscribe.